Hope you all are fine and in good health. I welcome you all to today's online session. Before we start our lesson, I want to ask you something about the previous portions that we had taken. We were learning Everest, the expedition of Everest. Who was doing the expedition? Baijendri Pal and T, isn't it? So, when did she start her expedition? उसने अपना अभियान कब शुरू किया? उसने 7 मार्च को शुरू किया. On 7th she started. एवरेस्ट यात्रा शुरू करने से पहले कहाँ पहुँचना होता है? Where should we reach when we begin the expedition? Yes, in Kathmandu. From Kathmandu we begin. Another question. बैजेंद्री पाल ने क्या देखा जब वे एवरेस्ट को निहार रही थी? What did she notice? उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा फूल जैसा चीज देखा. A big flower she noticed. Why it happened? Because of the cyclonic wind over there. It always happens like that, isn't it? And we came to know that how hazardous, how dangerous is it to climb over the Mount Everest. So we will move on our continuation and we will find how and what all problems and what all dangerous incidents happened while they were moving up. Okay, so you have to listen carefully and understand when I am reading. You should also read to get the words. Okay, you will do it now, children. So we will move on to the continuation of our Everest. Meri Shikhar Yatra. Now open page number 24. I'll read. You look into it. Try to understand and try to read with me. Okay. I'll give the explanation line by line. जब हम 26 मार्च को पेरिस पहुंचे, हमें हिमस्खलन के कारण हुई एक शेरपा कूली की मृत्यु का दुखद समाचार मिला. See, in this paragraph, Baijentri is saying what all incidents occurred and what all happened in climbing, on the way to climbing the Mount Everest. See, it is in the previous paragraphs we learned that it is a hazardous task. So now we will understand that what all problems they had to face while going forward to climb the Everest. Okay, so here what is being said, जब हम 26 मार्च को पेरिस पहुंचे. On 26th March, where did they reach? There is a place called Paris. On the way to Everest, there are some places. So, Paris is one place. So, on 26th March, they reached there. That time what happened? हमें हिमस्खलन के कारण हुई एक शेरपा कूली की मृत्यु का दुखद समाचार मिला. समाचार means news. What news did they got? दुखद समाचार. Sad news. What sad news did they get? हिमस्खलन के कारण हुई एक शेरपा कूली की मृत्यु का दुखद समाचार. हिमस्खलन snow slide or the ice slide. Like landslide is occurring, same way ice slide is also occurring. In our previous paragraph, we learned that when wind is blowing, cyclonic type of wind blowing, that time the snow also will fly with it and full ice will be coming. The same way here, like landslide is occurring, same way snow slide is also occurring. So that is Himskalan. So that during that Himskalan or ice sliding, that time what happened? एक शेरपा कूली की मृत्यु हो गई. One Sherpa was killed or died. One Sherpa's death news came to them when they reached Paris. Okay. Now next line. कुंभ हिमपात पर जाने वाले अभियान दल के रास्ते के बाईं तरफ सीधी पहाड़ी के धसकने से लोहत्से की ओर से एक बहुत बड़ी बर्फ की चट्टान. See what all hazardous things are there. Himpat, Kumbh Himpat. Kumbh Himpat, there is one place called Kumbh there. So during that the place Himpat will be there. That is the snowfall or ice fall. So that time what will happen? Lot of ice will be falling, snows will be falling. So like heavy rainfall, same way heavy snow will be falling. So कुंभ हिमपात पर जाने वाले अभियान दल के रास्ते के बाईं तरफ. So see before they our Baichantri Pal and team went, some people also had gone there to clear the way. So when those people reached the Kumbh Himpat, so that place always snow will be falling. Okay, regularly it will be falling. So that time those who had gone there, they had given the news. When those people reached there, see Himpat par jaane wale abhiyan dal, the team, those who reached there, that in near the Kumbh, reached there. So what did they do? Ke raste ke bayi taraf. So when they were going or reaching there, what happened? Ke bayi taraf, their right side, एक सीधी पहाड़ी के धसकने से. So when those people reached there in Kumbh, that time one pahadi means the mountain rock. What happened to it? सीधी धसकने से. So straight away slided. धसकने से means slided. लोहेते की और से एक बहुत बड़ी बर्फ का चट्टान. See, while the team was going on the way to the right side, what happened? सीधी पहाड़ी धसक गया. So that the rock itself slided. Means it slided downwards. Due to that, what happened? In Lohatse, there is one more thing. Baraf ki chattan. Baraf ki chattan means the snow rock. Baraf ki chattan niche kisak aayi. What happened? There, the mountain rock. What happened to that mountain rock? It came down or slided down. So that time what happened? 16 शेरपा कुलियों के दल में से एक की मृत्यु हो गई और 4 घायल हो गए थे. So they were the team of How many people? 16 people. So 16 Sherpa cooliyan. 16 Sherpa laborers was there. Out of them, एक की मृत्यु हो गई. One got died. 4 घायल हो गए थे. 4 got injured. See, as I already told that while they were going, there was some incidents or accidents happened. So here what happened? Due to the slide, one rock slided down, mountain rock slided down. That was ice rock. Like the rocks are, see, when the landslide is occurring in our places, what will happen? You might have noticed in the news and all that last time when the rain occurred, heavy rainfall occurred, that time landslide was there. So when it is a mountain area or a hilly area, what happened? Full landslided, and along with that, when rocks are there, that rock will also fall down along with the soil. It also will come down, the full rock. You notice that one? No. The same way here also, when the ice slide occurred, that time what happened? The snow, that's the snow rock, ice rock came down. That rock slided downwards. So when it slided downwards, that time what happened? The team which had gone, who had gone there before to clear the path, so they got under it, and they were Sherpas. They were how many people were there? They were 16. 16 people were there, and out of them 1 got killed and 4 were injured. See, these many hazardous things will occur when people go on for climbing the Everest. Many people had gone to climb Everest. Most of them got killed and only few got success. Okay, now we move on to the next paragraph. इस समाचार के कारण अभियान दल के सदस्यों के चेहरों पर छाए अवसाद को देखकर हमारे नेता कर्नल कुल्लर ने स्पष्ट किया कि एवरेस्ट जाने जैसे महान अभियान में खतरों को और कभी-कभी तो मृत्यु भी आदमी को सहज भय से स्वीकार करनी चाहिए. See what is been told now. There is one team leader when they are going. So Baijentri, when she was going, that time one team leader was there. So who was the leader? He was Colonel Kuller. So what did he say after hearing the news? इस समाचार के कारण अभियान दल के सदस्यों के चेहरों पर छाए अवसाद को देखकर. See, we all, when hear such kind of news, we will be scared, we will be sad. So here avsad means sad. चेहरों पर छाए अवसाद. Whatever things is happening to us, it will be coming to our face, depicted in our face. We can see, we can make out what is happening inside us. So the colonel also noticed the sad figures, the sad faces. So that time what did he say? स्पष्ट किया कि, स्पष्ट means he made it clear. He made clear what? एवरेस्ट जैसे महान अभियान में खतरों को और कभी-कभी मृत्यु भी आदमी को सहज भय से स्वीकार करनी चाहिए. Now he is saying that how you should face. when we are going for the Everest climbing expedition. Abhiyan means expedition. Mahan Abhiyan means it is a great expedition. Climbing to a hill or climbing to a small mountain, it is no problem. You can do it anyway, those who are adventurous. But here, climbing Mount Everest is a hazardous thing. It is impossible for normal people. So he is saying, climbing Mount Everest, to climb the hazardous task like climbing Mount Everest, you have to face खतरों को और कभी कभी मृत्यु को. The dangers and death we have to face very easily. आदमी को सहज भय से स्वीकार करनी चाहिए. We should accept it. What? Death and dangers. We have to accept it while we are going for such kind of expedition. What was the expedition? Climbing Mount Everest. So it was a hazardous task. Okay. Now next paragraph. उपनेता प्रेमचंद जो अग्रिम दल का नेतृत्व कर रहे थे, 26 मार्च को पेरिस लौट आए. उन्होंने हमारी पहली घड़ी बांधा उन्होंने हमारी पहली बड़ी बाधा कुंभ हिमपात की स्थिति से हमें अवगत कराया. See, there was one team leader who had gone with other people to clear the path. So they had one leader. What was his name? His name was Premchand. Upneta means assistant. He was having an assistant leader. So his name was Premchand. जो अग्रिम दल का नेतृत्व कर रहे थे. That is the अग्रिम दल means those who had moved before. So they were having one assistant leader. He was leading them. So on 26th March they reached Paris. And on 26th he returned back. See, दल कर रहे थे 26 मार्च को पेरिस लौट आए. So he had reached there near Kumbh, and after that he came back to Paris on 26th March. So this our Baijendri and team reached that place on 26th March. The same day only that Upneta came back. Okay. He came back on 26th March. So, and what did he do? उन्होंने हमारी पहली बड़ी बाधा कुंभ हिमपात की स्थिति से हमें अवगत कराया. Why did he come? He came there to inform them that there is one Kumbh. In the Kumbh place there will be Himpat, there will be the snow slide and snowfall or icefall, we can say, will be there. So you have to be aware of it. So to make them aware, he came back and told Baijendri and team that this is happening there. Then what did he say next? उन्होंने कहा कि उनके दल के ने कैंप 1 6000 मीटर जो हिमपात के ठीक ऊपर है वहां तक का रास्ता साफ कर दिया है. See, what did he say now? Why did he come to there to meet them? He came there to inform them that he had made clear, the team had made clear the path. So as in this previous paragraphs, it was already informed that there one team has gone already to clear the path. So he was the leader of that team. And where did they reach? 6000 meter, that's 6000 meter. Till 6000 meter, there is one camp. So every this thing, every there will be base, there will be camp, and so when they are going there, so all the places, these some meters will be there, they will go kilometers also. So there will be some camps where they halt and then move forward. So he came there and said that we have cleared till that place, that is 6000 meter. Okay, and he made them aware that there is snow slide, rock slide, everything is there that we have cleared. See, दल के कैंप, सी अवगत कराया, उन्होंने कहा कि उनके दल ने कैंप एक, सी कैंप एक means camp 1. Many camps will be there when we go to climb the Mount Everest. Base camp will be there, camp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Many camps will be there. So till camp 1, they have cleared all the snows and everything. जो हिमपात के ठीक ऊपर है वहां तक का रास्ता साफ कर दिया है. हिमपात means Kumbh, the place Kumbh, that place the falls are there, snowfalls will be there. So till that place they have cleared, that is near the camp 1. So they have cleared that path. उन्होंने यह भी बताया कि पुल बनाकर, रस्सियां बांधकर तथा झंडियों से रास्ता चिन्हित कर सभी बड़ी कठिनाइयों का जायजा ले लिया गया है. How they have cleared all the things, it is been said here. How they did do, he said, पुल बनाकर means making the bridges, रस्सियां बांधकर, tying the ropes, तथा झंडियां झाड़कर, गाड़ कर, by digging the flags, small flags. चिन्हित कर means making the signs. They used to make the signs like this. They constructed the rope. Then पुल बनाकर means constructed the bridge with steel bridge. रस्सियां means tying the ropes, and by digging the flags they have made the signs for climbing the path. सभी बड़ी कठिनाइयों का जायजा ले लिया है. So कठिनाइयां means the main difficulties, main problems. They have went there and they have made the signs there by digging the flags, so that they will be aware that these places are dangerous and they can go taking so that they can move safely or taking sufficient measures of safety. उन्होंने इस पर भी ध्यान दिलाया कि ग्लेशियर बर्फ की नदी है और बर्फ का गिरना अभी जारी है. Next what he said, glacier, you know that what is glacier. Glacier is the snow river or ice river. बर्फ का गिरना अभी जारी है. The ice is falling still now, and there on the way there will be glaciers. Nadi means a river. Glaciers will be there, and you have to be careful. हिमपात में अनियमित और अनिश्चित बदलाव के कारण अभी तक के लिए किए गए सभी काम व्यर्थ हो सकते हैं और हमें रास्ता खोलने का काम दोबारा करना पड़ सकता है. See, if they don't move fast, what will happen? Again the snow will be falling and they have to make the path clear. What all things are there? Glacier, that is the snow river or ice river, and still the snow is falling. बर्फ का गिरना अभी जारी है. Snow is falling. हिमपात में अनियमित और अनिश्चित बदलाव. There is a certain changes. अनियमित and अनिश्चित means not in order. The climate is not in order, not in favor. Sometimes it is more and sometimes it is less. So बदलाव के कारण, the change of the climate, change in the climate, due to that what happened? It is falling like that. And due to this, अभी तक के लिए किए गए सभी काम व्यर्थ हो सकता है. What all things we did now, that is they had made clear the path. That will be of no use if we are not going now. It will be in vain, not in use. Why? Again they will have to remove it. और हमें रास्ता खोलने का काम दोबारा करना पड़ सकता है. Till now they had made the road clear or the way clear. But if this team is going late, then what will happen? Again they will have to clear the road or clear the path again. बेस कैंप में पहुंचने से पहले हमें एक और मृत्यु की खबर मिली. जलवायु अनुकूल न होने के कारण एक रसोई सहायक की मृत्यु हो गई थी. निश्चित रूप से हम आशाजनक स्थिति में नहीं चल रहे थे. Now what happened? Another news they got. बेस कैंप में पहुंचने से पहले, before reaching the base camp, they got one more sad news. And what was it? एक और मृत्यु की खबर मिली. जलवायु अनुकूल न होने के कारण एक रसोई सहायक की मृत्यु हो गई. अनुकूल means it was not favor. जलवायु means climate. So the climate was not in favor. Due to that, what happened? One helper in the kitchen, rasoi sahayak means helper in the kitchen, got died. See, when we are going for the expedition and all, food is not available there. So we have to cook. By cooking, only we have to take the eatable things and cook there and eat. So for that, their helpers are there. That kitchen, that is cooks will be there. And here they got the news that one cook died because of the climate, unfavorable climate. निश्चित रूप से हम आशाजनक स्थिति में नहीं चल रहे थे. When they got this news, they got panic. आशाजनक स्थिति, they got doubt. Oh, what will happen now? See, before they got the news that the Sherpas killed and 4 injured, Now they got the news that one kitchen helper, the cook, died. So they were thinking that will the expedition complete or what will happen? One by one was dying. So it is said, निश्चित रूप से हम आशाजनक स्थिति में नहीं चल रहे थे. So they were not in favor that they will reach there. So they were not in the good condition. So they got doubtful that what will happen next. So such dangers they had to face. Okay. Now next. एवरेस्ट शिखर को मैंने पहले 2 बार देखा था, लेकिन एक दूरी से. बेस कैंप पहुंचने पर दूसरे दिन मैंने एवरेस्ट पर्वत तथा इसकी अन्य श्रेणियों को देखा. Our Bajendri Pal, what she saying? एवरेस्ट शिखर को मैंने पहले 2 बार देखा था. She saw Everest 2 times. Shikhar means the top 2 times. But how? From far. From far she saw the Everest. बेस कैंप पहुंचने पर दूसरे दिन मैंने एवरेस्ट पर्वत तथा इसकी अन्य श्रेणियों को देखा. Now they have reached the base camp. And what she seeing now? She saw Everest Parvat, Everest mountain. They reached the base camp in the second day, दूसरे दिन. So second day they reached the base camp and she saw the Mount Everest. तथा इसकी अन्य श्रेणियों को भी देखा. Mount Everest is surrounded by different small mountains also. With a little difference only. So many mountains are there. So she saw अन्य श्रेणियों को भी देखा. She saw other mountain tops also. मैं भौचक्की होकर खड़ी रह गई और एवरेस्ट लोत्से और नुत्से की ऊंचाइयों से गिरी बर्फीली टेढ़ी मेढ़ी नदी को निहारती रही. मैं भौचक्की रही means I got surprised. And she stood still there. When she saw Everest, Lhotse and Nutse की ऊंचाइयों से गिरी. So means those mountain regions are very high top. See, Everest is so tall and surrounding those Everest also it is very tall mountains are there. That Nutse, then Lhotse, all are barfili chotiyas. See, surrounded by snow. So she got very much surprised and stood still. She stood still there. What did she notice? She noticed the mountain ranges and barfili tedi medi nadi. From the top of the mountain, if the river is flowing, how it will be? It will be not straight. It will be moving here and there. Tedi medi means the curves will be there. Many curves. The river is flowing, taking many curves. And she niharti rahi means she just saw that one. Niharna means to see without moving the eyelids. So she was just watching it without moving from her place. Why? Because it was so beautiful. The scene over there. She was longing for reaching the top of it and she was longing to watch the beauty of the Everest. So when she reached the base camp there, she got very much excited and surprised by seeing all the mountain areas there and the rivers flowing there. It was so beautiful. So she just stood there still and watched the scenery over there. Now next paragraph. हिमपात अपने आप में एक तरह से बर्फ की खंडों का अव्यवस्थित ढंग से गिरना ही था। हमें बताया गया कि ग्लेशियर के बहने से अक्सर बर्फ में हलचल हो जाती थी। See here what will happen when glaciers will be there. हिमपात अपने आप में एक तरह से बर्फ के खंडों का अव्यवस्थित ढंग से गिरना ही था। What is हिमपात? What is the snowfall or icefall? अव्यवस्थित ढंग से, not in order. The falling of ice not in order is the himpat, is the snow ice fall. And they were told, what they were told? बताया गया कि ग्लेशियर के बहने से अक्सर बर्फ में हलचल हो जाती थी। When the glacier is flowing, that time what will happen? हलचल हो जाती है। हलचल means movement due to the due to the flow of the glaciers. There will be movement inside it. Top ice will be there, it will be moving, and under it maybe some water type will be there, liquid type will be there, and it will be moving. So बर्फ में हलचल हो जाती है. So it is due to the glacier in the ice there will be movement, and due to the movement what will happen? See next line. जिससे बड़ी बड़ी बर्फ की चट्टानें तत्काल गिर जाया करती थी. What will happen? तत्काल गिर जाया करती थी. Due to the movement of this, the mountain, that is ice mountain, will fall down. See, in the earth, there is movement. Due to the movement, many changes are occurring. Rocks are being falling down, rocks will be crushed down, or underwater also there is movement. Due to this movement, many changes are occurring. The same way there also, due to the movement of the glaciers, the changes will happen. And what changes will happen? That chattan will fall down, that is the mountain, that ice mountain, barf chattan means ice mountain, will fall down. Like here the other mountains are falling down. The same way there also the mountains will be falling down. Barf ki chattan means with barf it will be falling down, and accidents will happen. What will happen if this is going on? See, अन्य कारणों से भी अचानक प्रायः खतरनाक स्थिति धारण कर लेती है. अचानक खतरनाक स्थिति धारण कर लेती है means suddenly dangerous thing will be happening. One is the reason, this one, that glacier, the ice will be moving, and due to the movement the slide will be occurring. Not only this, but some other reasons also, some other causes also, the dangers will occur. For today, this much only. What did we learn today? We learned that while going on to the mountain top or Everest top to reach the summit of the Everest, how hazardous it was and how dangerous it is. We saw that the obstacles that was coming on the way. Sherpa was killed, 4 were injured, cyclonic storm was coming, that all these hazardous things we came across in this part of our lesson. Okay, so do one thing, you have to read this 5 times, and the assignment, as every day I tell you, will be write 5 questions of your own and answer it, and you have to show me. You will do it, no? Don't forget, you have to write 5 questions of your own, small question or big question. You have to write it and show it, and you have to learn it also. Okay, no? So for now, to this much only. We will continue in the next class. Until then, have a nice day. Bye.